So, hi guys, another hi. Today we're gonna be looking at G negative 1. First of all, what actually is G negative 1? Well, G negative 1 is a part of Graham's number that has just been added on by yours truly. So, in Graham's number, we got the function, the G function, since G64 is Graham's number. So, Gn is equal to 3 with Gn minus 1 arrows to 3. If you don't know what Graham's number is beforehand, this will make absolutely no sense to you. So, try and find out what it is first before watching this. So, G0, or at least the way I learned it, I know it's been updated to G1 is equal to this now, but anyways, G0 is 3 with 4 arrows and 3. G negative 1 would be equal to 4, because G0 would have to have G negative 1 arrows. So whatever G negative 1 is, will always be 4. So we just need to find out 3 with how many arrows to 3 equals 4, which is not going to be so easy. So A with 1 arrow to B is just repeated multiplication, or exponentation. So A with 2 arrows, tetration, is repeated exponentation. A with 3 arrows, or pentation, is just repeated tetration. So let's just go back a bit, and let's start working the other way. So, any amount of arrows is equal to the previous amount of arrows nested together. So, 0 arrows would just be multiplication, which is just A plus A, B times. So, negative 1 arrows would just be A plus B. It's just addition, that's it. So, addition is repeated 1. Addition is repeated counting, which is just adding 1 to the previous number. So, negative 2 arrows is just adding 1, and then the number that comes after that has absolutely no meaning. So that means that G1 is 3 with negative 2 arrows, 3, because negative 2 arrows is just adding 1, as we just said. So then, that also means we also know what G negative 2 is, which is just negative 2, because G1 has negative 2 arrows. So, theoretically, G negative 2 would be 3 with a certain amount of arrows and 3. And this number has to equal to negative 2, so I have absolutely no idea if it's even possible to calculate the amount of arrows this would need, because this doesn't make sense. This is not what Graham's number was intended for. But that's what G negative 3 would be, if there's some way of calculating it. So, yeah, that kind of concludes this video. That's expanding. Wait, what? No, this isn't. Oh, sorry. Well, thanks for watching, guys. So that's G negative 1 and negative 2. Bye.